In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flashloop app. To get started, open the Flashloop app or head to the Flashloop website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If it's your first time using the platform, go ahead and create a new account first. This is your entry point to all of Flashloop's AI tools. So once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where everything begins. From the dashboard, choose the creation tool that matches what you want to make. Flashloop offers several options, including text to video, image to video, AI images, podcast creation, and a voice generator. The right choice depends on your goal. If you want to turn an idea into a visual clip, text to video is a strong place to start. If you already have an image and want to animate it, choose image to video. For audio-based projects, the podcast and voice tools will be more useful. After selecting your tool, enter your content. This could mean typing a prompt, uploading an image, or pasting in a script, depending on the feature you chose. Try to be as specific as possible here, because better input usually leads to better output. Include useful details, like the subject, the setting, the overall style, lighting, camera movement, and the mood you want. The more clearly you describe your idea, the easier it is for the AI to produce something close to your vision. Next, select an AI model if Flashloop gives you multiple model options. This matters because different models can create different looks and results. Some may lean more realistic, while others may be more stylized or better suited for animation. If you're unsure, start with one that best matches your project type, then compare results later if needed. Now customize your settings. Depending on the tool, you may be able to adjust the video length, aspect ratio, resolution, voice or narration, and motion intensity or animation style. These settings help shape the final result. So take a moment to match them to where your content will be used. For example, vertical formats are often better for short-form mobile platforms, while widescreen works well for standard video viewing. When everything looks good, click Generate and let Flashloop process your request. Keep in mind that processing time can vary depending on how complex your project is and which AI model you selected. Once your content is ready, review it carefully, preview the result, and see whether it matches what you had in mind. If not, refine your prompt or adjust the settings and generate another version. Finally, download your finished video, image, or audio file and share it wherever your audience is most active.